students, welcome to all. Today we are going to see the lesson Amigo Brothers. Here we are the continuation of the lesson, isn't it? Let me see, do you remember what happened in the last class? It's about the fight between Antonio and Felix. The fight was scheduled in the Tompkins Square Park. And here the people were ready and they were very eager to be in that seat. Here the park had begun filling even earlier. And the people, they were very eager to see the fight. These two people, that is Antonio and Felix, these two people are escorted with number of people by the fans. Do you remember that? Yes. Here the waiting time was over and Felix was escorted from the classroom by the dozen fans in white t-shirt. Do you remember that? Yes. Then another one is Antonio, and he was escorted with a different stairwell against the rope of path. Then what happened? There was an announcement. Here in that announcement, here what they have said. Yes, it was between the two Praetorian fighters. Here, Antonio and Felix, they are considered to be the Praetorian fighters. And in this corner, weighing 134 pounds, Felix. Isn't it? Here, 134 pounds for Felix and 133 pounds for Antonio. This is the winner. The winner will represent in the boys club in the tournament. And the people, they were very cheerful and they are shaking the window panes of the Tompkins Square Park, of the building of the Tompkins Square Park. And the referee was giving the instructions. What the instructions given by the referee? Keep your punches up. No low blows. No punching on the back of the head. Let's have a clean fight. Now shake hands and come for fighting. Before the fight, here referee was giving some instruction and what he asked them to do. To give the hands and hug before they started to fight. Now the round one. It was going to start. The fight was going to start. Let me see what's given in this paragraph. Okay. Bong bong. Round one. Felix and Antonio turned and faced each other squarely in a fighting pose. Felix wasted no time. He came in fast, head low, half hands towards his right shoulder, and lashed out with a straight left. He missed the right cross as Antonio slipped the punch and countered with 3 lefts that snapped Felix's head back, sending a mild shock coursing through him. If Felix had any small doubt about their friendship affecting their fight, it was being neatly dispelled. Bong bong. Round one. Felix and Antonio turned and faced each other squarely in a fighting pose. Here, Felix and Antonio, what they are doing? They are in a fighting pose. They are in a fighting pose. Felix wasted no time. Felix don't want to waste time. He want to punch Antonio. He came in fast and head low, half hands towards his right shoulder. He came in fast and his head was low. When they are fighting, what they are doing? Their head was low and half hands towards his right shoulder. Here, what is the meaning of half hands? Half bent. Okay, half hands here meaning half bent towards his right shoulder and lashed out with the straight left. And what he was doing? Lashed. Okay, what is the meaning of lashed? Hit. Okay, lashed here meaning hit. Here he hit with the straight left. He missed the right cross as Antonio slipped the punch. He missed the right cross as Antonio slipped the punch. As Antonio, what he was doing? He was slipping the punch and countered with 3 left. Here countered here meaning faced and faced with 3 left. That snapped Felix's head back. That break Felix's head back. Okay. So here what happened? Here Antonio was hitting at the back of the head of Felix, sending a mild shock. What happened at that time? He had a shock at that time when he got hit. He became shocked, coursing through him. Here coursing through him, here meaning passing through him. If Felix had any small doubt about their friendship affecting their fight, it was being neatly dispelled. If Felix had any small doubt about their friendship, so both of them, Felix as well as Antonio, both of them had a doubt whether the fight will make their friendship to cut. So that's why here Felix was thinking. If Felix had any small doubt about their friendship affecting their fight, it was being neatly dispelled. It should be vanished. Dispelled here meaning vanished. Now they have to, what they have to do? They should not think about their friendship. It is their profession, isn't it? So they have to fight well. There is no draws, there is no elimination. So they have to fight clean. Here it was being neatly dispelled. So that thinking should be dispelled. That thinking should be vanished. Antonio's left hand was like a piston pumping jabs, one right after another with seeming ease. Felix bobbed and weaved and never stopped boring in. He knew that at a long range he was at a disadvantage. Antonio had too much reach on him. Only by coming in close could Felix hope to achieve the dreamed of knockout. Antonio's left hand was like a piston pumping jabs. It was like a piston pumping. Here, whose hand was like piston pumping? Antonio's hand was like a piston pumping. jabs one right after another with seeming ease. Here, one right after another one. Felix bobbed and weaved. Felix was bobbed and weaved. Here, what is the meaning? Again and again, he was punching. Again and again, he was punching. Here, Felix bobbed and weaved and never stopped boring in. And he was not bored to punch. Okay. Here, Felix bobbed and weaved and never stopped boring in. Felix mari punch cheya ennalladana. He was not bored in punching. He knew that at a long range, he was at a disadvantage. He knew that at long range, he was at a disadvantage. They knew. Not only Felix, Antonio too knew that it may cut the friendship of them. Antonio had too much reach on him. Antonio had too much reach on him. Here coming towards, here too much reach on him, here meaning Antonio was coming towards Felix. Antonio was coming towards Felix. Only by coming in close could Felix hope to achieve the dreamed of knockout. Only by coming in close, Felix hoped. What Felix was hope? He was hoped to achieve the dreamed of knockout. So here Felix wants to knock out Antonio very fast. That is in the first round itself. Then only he could not hurt in the second or third round. So there are 3 rounds. So in the first round itself, Felix wants to knock out Antonio. Here, only by coming in close could Felix hope to achieve the dreamed of knockout. Antonio knew the dynamite that was stored in his amigo brother's fist. Antonio knew about Felix's power and Felix knew about Antonio's power. Here what is the meaning of dynamite? Dynamite here meaning power. Dynamite here meaning power. Antonio knew the dynamite that was stored in his amigo brother's fist. Where is the fist? Here, isn't it? So here he knew about the power of Felix's fist. He dug the short right and missed the left hook. He dug the short right here meaning he avoided the short right and missed the left hook. He tried to avoid the short right and missed a left hook. So he was avoiding the right side of the punching and missed the left hook. Felix trapped him against the ropes just long enough to pour some punishing rights. Felix was trapped him against the rope just long enough to pour some punching rights, lefts and rights to Antonio's hard midsection. So here Felix was trapping whom? Antonio. Okay, Felix was trapping Antonio and against the rope and he was punching again and again at the Antonio's hard midsection, at the midsection of the Antonio. Okay, where he was punching? Yes, here Felix was punching at the hard midsection of Antonio. Antonio slipped away from Felix. What he was doing? What Antonio was doing? He was slipping from the punch, crashing two lefts to his head. Crashing two left to his head, which set Felix' right ear ringing. So here from Antonio Felix got a hit at the head, and at that time Felix' right ear ringing. When he got the hit at the head, his right ear was ringing. Here there was a sound from the right side of the ear. Okay, there was a sound from the right side of the ear when here Antonio hit Felix at the head. Okay. Felix walked briskly back to his corner. Here Felix was walking briskly back to his corner. Here Felix was moving to the corner. He was moving to his stool, to his corner. Antonio gracefully danced his way towards his stool. Here, what Antonio was doing? He was dancing and he was moving to the stool. Okay, here, what happened in the first round? Can you say? Here, they were in the fighting pose at first. And here Felix was not wasting time. He was ready and he was ready to fight. He don't want to hurt Antonio in the next two rounds. He want to cut him. Okay, in the first round itself, to knock him out in the first round itself. Then here both of them are giving punches. Here at first, here Antonio slipped the punches and countered with three left that snapped Felix's head back, sending mild shock. At first Antonio was kicking and here Felix was getting what? A mild, Felix got hit at the head and he got a mild shock through him. And here Felix was no doubt. At that time Felix was thinking that he don't want to cut the friendship due to fight. Then after that Antonio, how was his hand? Left hand was like a piston pumping jab and he was giving punches to Felix. And here he knew that there won't be any disadvantages due to that. Antonio too, he was coming close to Felix and he too hoped to achieve the dreamed of knockout. So he too dreamed to knockout. Antonio knew the dynamite. What the next paragraph was given? Here Antonio knew the dynamite of power. Here dynamite means here power. Here Antonio knew the power of Antonio brother's fist. And here Felix was trapping against the rope and he was punching again and again, and which set Felix' right ear to be ring. Here Felix was briskly back. Here after it was the first round, so it was over. And here Antonio was moving to his corner and here Felix too moving to his corner. So here Antonio was gracefully dancing and he was moving to his place. Okay, let me see the next portion in the next class. Thank you.